It's awesome having a fridge that does this, but not one that does this. Stick around, and I'm going to show you how to keep your LG fridge from leaking all over the place. Start by removing the storage tray. Hey, quit looking at my boom boom shrimp. Next, remove the tray mount by lifting up. Watch, it's so easy. See how easy that was? Remove the lower door cover screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Squeeze your giant sausage fingers underneath that door cover and pop it off. Looks like somebody in manufacturing left me a present. Is it important? I don't think so. It's super common for LG fridges to leak from this area, but there's no way to pinpoint exactly where the water's coming from because, as you know, when the door's open, the water dispenser doesn't function. So, I set up a camera inside the fridge, close the door, and hit the water dispenser so you can see exactly where this leak comes from. Over time, this water line has worked its way out of the reservoir. Fortunately for us, we can just push it right back in and we're ready to go. Just stuff that reservoir right back in place into its well-engineered reservoir pocket area. Line up the tab on the left side of the door cover and the little poppy pointy thing on the right and tap it all into place. Reinstall the screw. Pro dad tip, if you've lost the screw, go blame a kid now. Reinstall the storage tray mount. It's much easier going in than coming out. Don't forget to put your Ingelhofer holder back. Congratulations, you fixed something. Now pour yourself a glass of sweet success, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell for more tech support film shenanigans.